The B-2 Spirit, an aircraft that redefined modern warfare. It was designed not to fight head-on, but to remain unseen. Its flying wing shape scatters radar signals. Its skin absorbs what remains. This is stealth, an art of vanishing in plain sight. 4 engines, buried deep inside, are hidden from prying eyes. Exhaust gases are cooled, blending into the night air. No afterburners. Silence and invisibility come first. Without a tail or rudder, it relies on advanced elevons to climb, dive, and roll. For yaw, split drag rudders slow one wing, forcing the aircraft to turn. Fly-by-wire computers keep it stable, because the flying wing is naturally unstable, but perfectly designed to evade detection. The Spirit can fly more than 11,000 kilometers, and double that with aerial refueling. It can stay aloft for 44 hours. A single mission, stretching across continents. Hidden inside are devastating weapons, conventional bombs, precision cruise missiles, and the 30,000-pound Massive Ordnance Penetrator, capable of smashing through underground bunkers. But the B-2 never fights alone. It is the spearhead, the first to strike, destroying advanced air defenses. Behind it, the B-1 Lancer races low through valleys, hunting older systems. And then comes the B-52 Stratofortress. The giant that levels what remains. Only 19 B-2 seconds still fly today, each one a billion-dollar machine. Rare, precious, and irreplaceable. Yet their presence carries a message that in the silence of the skies, an unseen shadow can change the course of war.